Okay, that looks all right, doesn't it? So today what we're going to do is chicken mushroom pasta. I'm using the Tagliatelle. Use any pasta you want. Super, super easy. Garlic, tomatoes, cream. This is really good and simple. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so absolutely nothing to it. Right, 1 can of tomatoes. When I say 1 can, I mean a regular size can, 400 ml. In the center there, I've got some chicken, breast chicken, no skin, no bone. I've cut that into kind of nice long strips. You can chop it into little cubes if you want. I've got about 500 grams there, which is just over a pound, I think. And then mushrooms. I've got a regular white, fresh mushroom. There's 150 grams there. Now you can see that they're all pretty much equal, roughly equal in volume. 2 teaspoons of oregano. 1 cup or a decent medium-sized sort of onion. Here I've got 150 grams of cream. Now you can use any cream, thick cream, thin creams, all the same. Tablespoon of garlic. We're going to start this off with some olive oil, add a bit of salt and pepper, and of course our pasta. Now the pasta I'm using today is Tagliatelle. You can use anything you want. So get that ready because we're really going to concentrate on the sauce. Let's go. Wok, skillet, pan, up to you. In there I've got olive oil, about 3 tablespoons. Simply, we're going to drop in our onion. We're on a medium heat, by the way. Just get your onion in and just let that go for 3 minutes. So that's just 3 minutes just to get those onions on the go. Now 1 tablespoon of garlic. I've cut my garlic kind of fairly chunky. Next up the chicken breast. No skin, no bone. Cut into kind of long strips, which kind of matches the tagliatelle, if you know what I mean. Right now we're going to add salt. And some black pepper. And we're going to stir fry this around in the pan for 4 to 5 minutes. Really beautiful. Next up, we're going to drop in the mushrooms and 2 teaspoons oregano. Now I'm using oregano, but if you want you could use thyme, basil, tarragon. Up to you what you want to do there. And again, stay on this medium heat, and again we're going to go for another 4 minutes. So easy, so delicious. Now I'm obviously using mushrooms in this, but if you want you could do chicken broccoli, chicken zucchini, chicken eggplant, your choice. Okay, 1 can of tomatoes. Now these tomatoes have been chopped. If you're using a whole plum tomato, just roughly give it a chop up with a little knife or with your hand. Really so simple and fabulous, this one. Okay, we're going to again stay on this medium heat. I'm going to go now for another 5 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. We're nearly done. Okay, last step, we've got our cream. Like I say, if you want to use thick or thin cream, like a runny cream, no problem at all. There's probably half a cup there or so, but again you can play around with that and adjust it. We're going to mix this in for 3 more minutes and then this is done and beautiful. Now listen, if you want you can get some Parmesan cheese in there if you want, or chop some mozzarella into it, up to you. I'm going to keep it like this. And again, If you want, get your pasta and put it in, mix it around for a few minutes. I'm going to be serving this on top of my pasta today. But that is a really beautiful garlicky, creamy tomato chicken mushroom sauce we've got ourselves there. That's it. Let me get that on the plate. And there you go, absolutely beautiful. Just put a little bit of chopped parsley on the top there. Simple, easy, delicious. I hope you enjoy that. I'll see you soon. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.